Request pushback.
At parking. Information. Bravo. Read to copy.
Departure runway 08 right. Pushback approved at own discretion.
Roger.
Change to runway 08 left. Roger. Change to runway 08 right.
Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 08 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 08 right.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew, we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Pushback approved at own discretion. Roger.
At parking. Information. Bravo. Read to copy.
Departure runway 08 right. Contact when ready to start.
Request taxi. Holding point runway 08 right.
Contact tower on 118.650.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 08 right.
Holding point runway 08 right. Pushback approved at own discretion. Departure runway 08 right.
Request cross runway.
Cross runway approved.
Roger. Cross runway approved.
Holding point runway 08 right. Pushback approved at own discretion.
Roger.
Departure runway 08 right. Contact when ready to start.
Request start up. Request start up. Request pushback. Request start up.
Start up.
Holding point runway 08 right.
Contact tower on 118.650.
Good day. Holding point runway 08 right. Ready for departure.
Wind 16 degrees 1 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 08 right.
Flaps.
Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 08 right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet. Cabin crew. Prepare for takeoff.
Wind 14 degrees 0 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 08 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
knots. V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Flaps.
Continue. Runway vacated. Roger. Ground 119.620.
Leaving 3,000 feet.
Please contact departure on 124.350.
Roger. Departure on 124.350.